see, it's so hot. You sweat at every fever, runny nose. It's not easy for me. Guys. You guys see the way I'm sweating. Let's see. This is the only way, the natural way I normally use to cure any kind of sickness. As in, sorry, if I have anything, cough, runny nose, this is what I'm always using. I'm going inside again. I'm gonna do it for like 15 minutes. Although I will still be coming out because it's not easy for you to stay straight 15 minutes. Even with that covering itself, you can see the smoke coming out from the water, entering all my eyes. I'm gonna go back again with you guys. As the water is cooling down, I'll just shake the buckets. Oh no, I need to come back again. You can see the smoke. Guys, if you know you have done this remedy before, please put it on the comment section and tell me how you feel when you are doing it. Please put it on the comment section, please, guys. It helps. It helps to drive away every cough, every running nose. It's worked perfectly, even more than the medication that we take. It's not all the time you take medication when you are sick. You're feeling headache, you take medication. No, don't do that. Believe on all these natural remedies, and it will so much help you. Thank you, guys. Please help me share my video, please. I am begging you. That is the only way you can help me. Just share the video so that people struggling, please. I only recommend this for adults. Kids cannot bear it. If you want to use it for kids, you have to use methylator. You can use methylator if you want to use it for kids. Okay, please, guys, share the video so that people struggling like me with this cough, catarrh, they can use it to help cure this. It will help them a lot. Thank you and bye.